What's up, gamers? And today we're playing Adopt Me, but this is actually inspired. This is not my video. Shout out to the owner. Today I will be making a house inspired, making a house by my zodiac sign. Well, you guys see, my zodiac sign is Sagittarius, and I hate when that happens. Anyway, and basically for me, Sagittarius reminds me of light blue, so that's where we're gonna go with it now. And before we start, as always, please subscribe. It always helps me a lot. We're almost 100 subscribers. Yeah, let's just go in. So yeah, I just bought this, so I haven't cleaned it up. So I'll be back at you when I clean it up. Okay, I'm done cleaning it up. Now let's customize. First we'll start with stuff, I guess. First I'm thinking we get maybe a barrier, 2 barriers. One at this side and one at the other side. So let me first do that. Okay, all done. I think I'll paint them white. Yeah, for now I'll paint them white. Okay, I painted them white now. I don't know. Okay, let's just feed. Okay. Let's just feed her. Because, yeah, let's just feed her. Cozy. What's this? Oh, okay. Oh, yep. I'm going to world. Okay, oh, this is cute. Okay, I guess this is optional. Okay, this is optional. Oh, it's cute. Okay. I literally found the one. Yeah, I found the one. Okay, now let's do this. Let's do that. Let's do this. By the way, this is a wall for room, so I literally found the one. Right now, I'll just eat this food thing from my pet because she always is hungry, just like me. I'm always hungry, guys. Okay, and let's just do a story time while we. Okay, so I don't know what to do. Okay, let's just story time. So once I okay. Once I was like very, very, very little. I used to play Adopt Me. I don't know. I used to play Roblox around that time, I think. I think it wasn't so small actually. It was like 7 or 6. Anyway, then when I played the first, I can't even imagine. I got this. This person was so nice. Okay, so this person in the server who said, free pet please, and then I just gave him a pet because I was role-playing at the time. Yeah, while I was role-playing, I'm gonna show you guys the avatar of the next video, what the avatar I used while I was role-playing. I was called Rose then, yeah. But I was role playing, and I found 2 role players. I called one a mom and a dad, and the mom was at the hospital and she had cancer, whatever cringe stuff. Anyway, besides the story, actually the last time I saw the dad, he gave me a gift. Yeah, I remember he gave me a propeller. And that time I didn't know what it even was. I didn't know how to use it, but he was so kind. He was like, here, like, click on it and you're able to ride it. And I was like, huh? And then I was able to fly. I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. But it was the old time, cringe, Roblox, whatever. Anyway, and then at the time, like, I was like so happy because I was like, I didn't even know you could do that. Like, I thought you had to have a fly potion to do it. Go up to the castle and get a fly potion, but I guess was wrong. Anyways, and then when I was at that outfit, it was like I was at the outfit because it always reminded me of the sweet old times when I had that outfit. There was this like guy in the lobby who was like, free pet please, free pet please. And then I was like, sure, let's give you a free pet. And I give him a free pet. And that's literally how I got my Mega Neon Fly Ride Chocolate Lavender, because he gave it to me because I gave him a free pet. And my pet, the pet I give him wasn't even that good. I just gave him like a buffalo. And then he was like, here, have this Mega Neon. And he gave the buffalo back. Like, God bless that guy. Like, oh my god. I was flickering at that time. I was like, thank you so much. Oh my god, I still remember that day. Oh, good old times, man. But yeah. Right now, I think this will take a while. So I'll just speed everything up right now. So, what's your alibi? What's your alibi? What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? When there's blood in the water. When there's blood in the water. I wanna be a slave, I wanna be a master. I wanna make your heartbeat run like roller coasters. I wanna be a good boy, I wanna be a gangster. Cause you could be the beauty and I could be the monster. I love you since this morning, no, just for aesthetic. I wanna touch your body so fucking electric. I know you're scared of me, you say that I'm too eccentric. I'm crying all my tears and that's fucking pathetic. I wanna make you hungry, then I wanna feed ya. I wanna paint your face like you're my Mona Lisa. I wanna be a champion, I wanna be a loser. I'll even be a clown cause I just wanna amuse ya. I wanna be a sexter, I wanna be a teacher. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Good.